auscultating of the patient. So we're going to have him laying on his stomach first, and there are 10 different points on the backside that you want to auscultate. So Jonah, every time I say breathe or something, will you take a deep breath in and out for me, okay? But slowly. So what you want to do is there's going to be 5 points on each side, and you want to compare bilaterally. So you're going to be moving up and down you're going to be moving from up to down on the backside. All right. And keep breathing. Okay. Can you breathe? Okay. And keep breathing. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe. Okay, and then will you flip over onto your back? So normally there would be 10 points on the back, but since we're going to be going through an anterior, posterior, and axillary with the patient, I don't want him to hyperventilate and feel like he's going to pass out, so we're going to try to shorten this a little bit. So on the front side, there's only 8 spots because where the 9th and 10th spots would be on the back side, the diaphragm blocks it. So, all right, Jonas, we're going to do the same thing. All right, can you breathe? Okay, and breathe. Okay, and breathe. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe. Okay. And then will you roll over onto your left side so that your right side is facing up? So normally you want to do this with without a shirt on. That'd be the most comfortable for me doing this, because when you have the shirt on, there's a little bit of ruffles between the shirt and the skin, so you sometimes pick up different things. But when you're doing this, you're listening for even breaths in and out. You're listening for just symmetry on the inhale and the exhale. And you want to make sure that there's not any adventitious sounds like crackles, wheezes, or any of that bad stuff going on. So on the side, there's 4 different spots, and you want to make sure you check the right side because the right lung has 3 lobes while the left lung only has 2 lobes. So this is basically checking the middle lobe on the right lung. So Jonah, we're going to do the same thing here. All right, and breathe. Okay, and breathe. Okay, and breathe. Okay, and okay, and that's going to be the auscultating. Again, you want to make sure that you're listening for even breathing, that there's no disruptions or anything